Now next point is the inspecting staff and duties. The state government appoint a chief inspector and other inspector who may enter any factory, make examination of a premises, plant, machinery and any document related to factory. Means what? Whatever the information we have provided in terms of written notice related to address of occupier, address of factory, nature of manufacturing process, nature of power to be used, name of the factory manager and number of workers required. That all the information will be inspected by chief inspector, means committee of the chief inspector and the other inspector. Okay, by visiting the factory, the entire factory make examination of a premises, plant, machinery and any document related to factory. Then certifying surgeons. State government may appoint a qualified medical practitioner as a certifying surgeon for examination and certification of young workers, examination of workers engaged in dangerous occupation or processes. Okay. Then cleaning. हेल्थ मेजर्समध्ये फर्स्ट आहे क्लिनिंग द फॅक्टरी एव्हरी डे, वॉशिंग ऑफ अ फ्लोअर युझिंग डिसइन्फेक्टंट ऑफ वर्क एव्हरी वीक. इफेक्टिव्ह मीन्स टू ड्रेनेज टू अवॉइड collection of water, all inside walls and partitions all ceiling top of room, passage and staircase to be repainted once in 5 years, washing of wall ceiling to be carried out at least once in a 14 month. Means what? The cleaning will be done every day. Washing of floor using disinfectant will be done in a week, every week. Effective means to drainage to avoid the collection of water, all inside walls and partitions, all ceiling top of room, passage and staircase to be repainted once in a 5 year, 5 वर्षात एकदा. Washing of wall ceiling to be carried out at least once in a 14 month. Okay. Then disposal of wastage and influence, suitable arrangement should be made for the disposal of wastage and influent arising from the manufacturing process. Ventilation and temperature, adequate ventilation and a proper temperature to be provided for the comfort of the employee. Dust and fumes, employer shall take necessary step to keep workroom free from dust or fumes. Artificial humidification, in factories where humidity of air is artificially increased, the proper equipment should be provided to work, like mask to avoid health hazards, and the drinking water should be employed for humidification. Okay. Then overcrowding, the minimum space provided for a worker should be 4.2 cu cubic meter. Means what? 4.2 cubic meter space must be provided to the worker. Lighting, the light, whether artificial or natural or both, should be sufficient and suitable in all workrooms. प्रत्येक जिथे जिथे मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग प्रोसेस कॅरी आउट केल्या जाते तिथे आर्टिफिशियली लाईट असला पाहिजे, नॅचरली असला पाहिजे किंवा दोन्ही प्रकारे असला, शुड बी सफिशियंट. ड्रिंकिंग वॉटर, द सेक्शन 18 deals with the provision relating to arrangement of for drinking water in a factories. Effective arrangement shall be made to provide and maintain at suitable point conveniently suited for all the worker. Means प्रत्येक वर्करला सुटेबल होईल अशा ठिकाणी ड्रिंकिंग वॉटर फॅसिलिटी आवश्यक आहे सेक्शन 18 नुसार. ओके. Conservation arrangement, in every factory there shall be provided and maintained separate arrangement for toilet for male and female workers at convenient places. Means every factory for male and female workers the convenient places वर टॉयलेट चं प्रोव्हिजन असलं पाहिजे. स्पिट टोन्स, सेक्शन 20 lay down that in every factory there shall be a provided sufficient number of spittoons in convenient places. They shall be maintained in a clean and hygienic condition. Then washing facility should be provided for male and female workers. Facilities for sitting should be provided during work to take rest if an opportunity occurs during their work without affecting the work. First aid appliance. For every 150 workers, minimum one full equipped first aid box shall be kept available during all working hours. A factory employing more than 500 workers shall have properly equipped ambulance room. A canteen shall be provided in every factory in which more than 250 workers are employed. म्हणजे ज्या कंपनीमध्ये 250पेक्षा जास्त एम्प्लॉय असतात तिथे सेपरेट कॅन्टीन मस्ट बी देअर. एव्हरी फॅक्टरी इन विच मोर दॅन 150 वर्कर्स आर ऑर्डिनरीली एम्प्लॉयड ॲडॉक्ट suitable, clean, sufficiently lighted and ventilated rest and lunch room shall be provided. Every factory shall provide clean, adequately lighted and ventilated room for use of children अंडर द एज ऑफ 6 years ऑफ वुमन वर्कर्स. म्हणजे ज्या काही वुमन वर्कर्स आहेत त्यांचे जे 6 वर्षाच्या खालचे मुलं आहेत त्यांना थांबायसाठी clean, adequately lighted and ventilated room for the use of children. Then welfare officer. Every factory employing 500 workers or more shall employ welfare officers. The state government may prescribe the duties, qualifications and conditions of service of welfare officers so employed. This is nothing but all the theoretical parts. You can just reading, you will understand how the each and every statement is meaning. Okay. Safety measures. The hoist shall be a good mechanical construction, adequate strength and sufficient protected. Hoist should be regularly maintained and periodically examined at least once in a month, once in 6 months. Hoist shall have at least 2 ropes or chain separately connected with the cage. Lifting machines shall be of good construction, sound material, adequate strength, properly maintained. Lifting machines should be thoroughly examined at least once a year. Okay, these are the safety measures that we will have to follow. If a manufacturing process is producing dust, gas, fumes or vapors which can explode on ignition, then the plant should be shut down immediately. Yes, any manufacturing process in which dust, gas, fumes or vapors are emitting, and because of that the chances of explode on ignition, okay, then suddenly we will have to stop or shut down the machine immediately. Every factory shall be provided with means to escape in case of fire, such as fire warning signals, unlocked doors and opening towards outside the workroom, free passageways. Means in case of any kind of emergency, there must be emergency exit door must be there. Then working hours. Adults worker shall be required to work in a factory for not more than 48 hours a week. एका वीकमध्ये 48 तासापेक्षा जास्त काम त्यांच्याकडून केलं जाऊ शकत नाही. देअर शुड बी 1 day वीकली ऑफ फॉर एव्हरी वर्कर. म्हणजेच आठवड्यातून एकदा प्रत्येक वर्करला सुट्टी देणं आवश्यक आहे. ओके. नो ॲडल्ट वर्कर शॅल बी रिक्वायर्ड टू वर्क फॉर मोर दॅन 9 hours ऑन एनी डे. 9 hours जास्त जो काही ॲडल्ट वर्कर आहे ते त्याच्याकडून काम केलं जाऊ शकत नाही. नो ॲडल्ट वर्कर शॅल बी रिक्वायर्ड टू वर्क फॉर मोर दॅन 5 hours कंटिन्युअसली. 5 तासाचे कंटिन्यू. आफ्टर 5 hours द वर्कर शॅल हॅव अ रेस्ट फॉर ॲटलिस्ट half an hour. If a worker work for more than 9 hours on any day or for more than 48 hours in any week, he will get his overtime wage at the rate of twice his ordinary rate of wage. ओके, म्हणजे एखादा वर्कर एका दिवशी 9 तासापेक्षा जास्त काम करत आहे किंवा 48 तासापेक्षा वीकली 48 तासापेक्षा जास्त काम करत आहे तर त्याला एक्स्ट्रा वेजेस द्यायला पाहिजे, डबल्स दी ऑर्डिनरी रेट ऑफ वेज. म्हणजे त्याच्या सॅलरी जी असेल एका दिवसाची किंवा एका घंट्याची त्याच्यापेक्षा डबल रेटनी त्याला सॅलरी दिल्या गेली पाहिजे. नो ॲडल्ट वर्कर शॅल बी अलाउड टू वर्क इन अ सेकंड फॅक्टरी इफ ही इज ऑलरेडी बीन वर्किंग इन वन फॅक्टरी. म्हणजेच कोणत्याच ॲडल्ट वर्करला दुसऱ्या फॅक्टरीमध्ये काम करताना जेव्हा तो एका फॅक्टरीमध्ये काम करत असेल. फॅक्टरी मॅनेजर शॅल मेंटेन अ रजिस्टर ऑफ ॲडल्ट वर्कर स्टेटिंग देअर नेम, नेचर ऑफ वर्क, ग्रुप ऑफ वर्क and make it available to the inspector at the time during the working hours. No woman shall be employed in any factory except between the hours of 6 AM to 7 PM. म्हणजेच रात्री 7 वाजतानंतर कोणत्याच महिलेला कामासाठी अलाउ केल्या जाणार नाही. मॉर्निंग 6 AM टू इव्हिनिंग 7 PM. ओके. वर्किंग आवर्स फॉर चिल्ड्रन्स. All child below 15 years of age shall not be allowed to work in a factory. 15 वर्षाच्या खालच्या मुलांना कंपनीमध्ये काम करायला अलाउ केला जात नाही. फॉर ॲडल्ट, सर्टिफिकेशन ऑफ फिटनेस इज नेसेसरी फॉर वर्कर बाय सर्टिफाईंग सर्जन आफ्टर एक्झामायनिंग हिम. फॉर ॲडल्ट, द पिरियड ऑफ वर्क इज टू बी लिमिटेड टू 2 shift only and employment during night between 10 PM and 6 AM is prohibited. Between 10 PM 6 AM is prohibited. The working should not be exceed 5 hours. Okay, so these are the working hours for children. Then annual leave with wages. A working who has worked for 240 days or more during a calendar year shall be permitted during the next calendar year leave with wage for a number of days at the rate of 1 day for every 15 days of work performed by adult worker, 1 day for every 20 days of work performed by a young worker. A worker interested to take leave shall apply 15 days in advance. A worker who has worked for 240 days or more during a calendar year shall be permitted during the next calendar year leave with a wage for a number of days at the rate of 1 day for every 15 days of work permitted by the adult worker, 1 day for every 20 days of work performed by an young worker. म्हणजेच 15 दिवसासाठी एका दिवसाचं एक्स्ट्रा सॅलरी त्याला दिली जाईल. म्हणते 1 days फॉर ॲडल्ट वर्कर आणि फॉर यंग वर्कर फॉर एव्हरी 20 days ऑफ वर्क परफॉर्म बाय अन यंग वर्कर 1 day. ओके, रेट ऑफ 1 day. अँड वर्कर इंटरेस्टेड टू टेक लीव शॅल अप्लाय. त्याला 15 दिवसापूर्वी ॲडव्हान्समध्ये लीव टाकावी लागेल. ओके. जनरल पेनल्टी फॉर ऑफेन्स. In case of any breach of any of the provision of this act, the occupier and the factory manager are punishable with up to 2 years of imprisonment or fine up to 1 lakh or both. If contravention continues after conviction, there will be a fine of rupees 100,000 per day. Okay, so these are the general penalties. Recommendation of the National Commission Government of India has set up the second National Labour Commission on 15th October 1999. A commission has made a valuable suggestion to improve the harmonious relationship among the worker. It is an umbrella of the legislation to ensure a minimum level of protection to the worker in the unorganized sector. Okay, so this is nothing but the different legislative act has been done for the or has been developed for the recommendation of the National Commission on Labor. Okay, so this is nothing but the labor law. Today we will stop over here. Thank you.